doing is we've just got this what's called an A frame. So it's literally just a frame in the shape of an A, where we know that this is this line, because it's heavy, is going to be straight down, perpendicular. And so we've marked on where the centre of this is, meaning that when it hits the centre, then we know that this leg and that leg is exactly the same height. So obviously if one leg is taller, it's going to be off. No, if it's the other way, one leg is taller, then that's going to be off. So when it hits the middle, we know that the two are the same, and therefore we've got 2 points which are close enough with pretty much just cheap, almost nothing materials. No need for high-tech instruments, with just really simple materials we can map a straight contour line. So what we're going to do is we started here because we want to avoid hitting this tree. So we're making the first line in this direction, then we make another line that goes around probably to somewhere near where that tree is, and that will be our first edge. Then the first swales. Then we'll look to make another one further down. That's it.